Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question looking at a horizontal chart. The keywords in the question are we've got to work out the lowest temperature. We've also got to find the difference between the highest and lowest temperatures on Wednesday. So you can see here we have got a chart which is horizontally. So you've got the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and then the temperatures are written along the bottom. Now the unit is given and it's also given in the answer, so you don't need to worry about the units. And each answer needs to be written in the box, and the first part is worth 1 mark and the second part is also worth 1 mark, so 2 marks in total. Now remember, you've got your number scale written here, so you've got 0 going all the way up to 8 on the right, and then going down to left, on the left down to -8. So you're going to look at these scales here and work out the lowest temperature and then the difference. Now the key facts in the question are that the word lowest means the smallest, the word highest means the largest, and the difference means subtract. So take away the highest value, take away the lowest value. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Well done guys, hopefully you've managed to get yourself an answer. So to start with, we're going to look at the lowest temperature. So if you look down here, we've got temperatures here. On a Thursday we've got 6, which is my maximum temperature, but we're looking for the lowest. So we're looking down here, which is the lowest bar. So we can draw a line across here, which takes me to the lowest bar, which is the lowest temperature on Tuesday and on Friday. So looking at the number scale, I've got 0, then it goes to -2 or -2. So in between there is -1. So we're counting down in negative ones. So 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So this missing number here is -7, which is the answer you need to write in the first box. Remember, the negative always comes in front of the 7. The second part of the question wants to know the difference between highest and lowest temperatures on Wednesday. So we need to find Wednesday. So we need to identify the lowest temperature, which is at this point here. So we can count 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So the lowest temperature is -5. And the largest temperature is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's got a value of 3. So we're working out the difference between -5 and +3. So that is the same as doing 3 take away -5. Now some of you will be able to work out that the 2 negatives here together is the same as a positive. So 2 negatives make a positive. So that's the same as doing 3 plus 5, which gives you an answer of 8, which needs to go in the box here. Some of you will find that difficult to work out the negative, take away and negative. So basically the question wants to know the difference. What is the gap between these 2 values here? So if I start at the -5 and count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I get the same answer as I've just worked out here. So some of you will like to do it in terms of numbers. Some of you just like to count the gap on the diagram. Either way will give you the 1 mark in the exam. Give yourself a big tick if you got them correct. Well done. Great work. The mark scheme on this question shows that you get -7 is 1M, which means 1 mark, and 8 for the second mark, also 1M. On the right hand side it says do not accept a 7 with a minus afterwards, or you're not allowed to accept a -8. So if you wrote that it was -8 because you did it the opposite way round, then you're not allowed the -8. If you started with the higher number and then went down to the lower number, you can't get the negative value, and the negative has to come in front on the first part. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.